Hello, welcome to our YouTube channel where you will be learning Excel Magic course, where you will be learning from Excel data analysis to data dashboard and visualization, and you will become to the pro level. So let's jump to the course. First, we will start with the types of data. We will go to the data type here, and you can see here some of the famous data sources are here, and we can also get the data from the get data tab. Here are from file. These are most commonly used area, which is Excel, CSV, XML, JSON, PDF, and from further entities. Sometimes databases when you are going to work with a large set of data, but however, it doesn't come normally in the Excel as it is done with the Power BI majorly. Then from Azure and then online services and then other sources. I will tell you later. We will mainly using from table and blank query, and there are some other features that we'll be working on later on. So first we'll move to the Excel one. So here I separated out some data set for it. First I will tell you all the files. Okay, these are the mainly files we use for the our analysis. These are most commonly data set for analysis. First one is sales report, second one is financial data analysis, third one is marketing analysis, fourth one is human source report, and fifth one is customer service report. In sales report, we are mainly working on and analyzing our KPIs of which country has more sales, which country has low sales, which products to drop, which products has the highest GP margins, and there are a lot of analysis about products, sales, and these things. Then second one is the financial data. It mainly attributable to our financial statements, stocks, valuations, and this type of data. Third one is marketing. It will be mainly KPIs for how our marketing work for us, what our return on this, and what is it has impacted mainly in which regions. And fourth one is human resource support. It includes majorly how our retention rate, how our employees joining and hiring ratios, and how many females or males are working in proportion of a specific department. And there are a lot of KPIs for it. And the fifth and the last one is customer service support. It mainly includes different types of customer, you can say, customer satisfaction, customer lead generation. There are three types of data we can work. Even in the Excel file, we can work on three types or three categories in Excel. First, we have a data set here. Like if I have a data set of this, I will tell you from here, which I mean I can directly work into that Excel file. But what will it will do? It already has a size of it, and it will not be dynamic, right? Like it will be hard coded, and I will be directly working into that data set. First, it will be static. Second one, it also has a huge large amount of data, and we are also adding data models and data visualization into this, so it will increase the overall size of the report. So we want something dynamic, and we want something which is a lesser size, which mainly includes the connection with the whole data and only visualization. So we will go it from here. We'll click on sales report, and we only select this data. Yeah, right, this one. So now we have two options. First one is load, and second one is load to. Load is it bring whole data into the worksheet like this, but it has again the same issue. It is dynamic, but it bring the whole data set into our Excel file, which increase the overall size of our Excel file. So you can see it from here. It's getting data and it bring the whole file, but we don't want this. We'll again remove it from here. And we remove the data set here. We go to data, get data, Excel file, click on this, sales data, and load to. It only create the connection only and add this to data model. What it will do, it doesn't bring the whole data set here, but it just created the connection with that. So it is just loading the data here. So now after building the connection, it has become dynamic. If we go into this, we can get a good view of this, what the column names and what type of data it includes. For this, we will go to the Power Query. If we double click on this, we'll get to the Power Query editor. So now it has become dynamic, as well as we have only linked the connection here. So if we want to edit some data, like changing the type of the data or performing other function like adding columns and transforming the column, we will do it here to make it dynamic. Like whenever the data change in the actual data set, it will be changed here and the function will be applied into this. So after applying this, we will click on close and load. Don't take attention, we will be learning Power Querying in our next lessons. So it has now loaded into this. Now our last lesson is normalized and denormalized data. Let's go to the our again Excel report. Initially we will be saying there were three features. There were 3 to 4 files here, and I am opening that. I will let you know what's the meaning of this. So this is our main data set. This is our customer index. This is our regional. This is our products. So let me give you one example. If we have the data set, let me enable editing. Let's, for example, if we have this data set here, what is linking out this data with other three sheets is this. I was highlighting them. Customer name index, then there is product index, then there is region index. So here it is our region index. Let me check. Yes, here is our region index. So instead of increasing our whole data set, what we have did. Okay, so instead of adding region 71, otherwise we have write all these three columns into this, which will have increased the data set size of whole the data set. Same wise, if instead of adding numbers, we have to write the whole names. Same the case with the products. This is just the product 1, 2, 3. Otherwise, usually it has the names. So otherwise, our data set will be numerous and it will increase by many times. So it has, in short, decreased our whole data set, and it will make it easy for ourselves to do our analysis. So that's how data sets are made up. So these type of data sets which has whole data set in one worksheet or a one table, it is called denormalized data. And these type of data set are called normalized data, and which has the actually figures and quantities, it is called fact table, and other three are called dimension tables or lookup tables. I will tell you in later videos how they have named like this. So now exciting to move to our next lesson. Let's wrap up our current lesson here, and we will be meeting in our next lesson. Thank you for watching.